If your mind's racing and heart's pacing, you might feel overwhelmed and anxious. It's okay to feel this way, but it's also important to find a moment of peace. You're in the right place to find that calm. Let's take a journey together to a place of deep relaxation. Let's begin by focusing on our breath. Close your eyes gently and let go of any distractions around you. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs completely, and gently exhale through your mouth, releasing all the tension and stress. Feel the tension melt away with each breath. Let's repeat this process. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with calm, and exhale slowly, letting go of all worries. Imagine a wave of calm washing over you, like the gentle waves of the ocean. Let this wave of tranquility flow from your head down to your shoulders and all the way to your toes, relaxing every part of your body. You are here, in this moment, fully present and at peace. Embrace this feeling of serenity. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of calm with you. Remember, you can return to this moment of calm anytime you need. It's always within you. Breathe deeply, relax completely, and carry on with a peaceful heart and mind.